Hello fellow DIYers, today I'm going to demonstrate how to clean and passivate stainless steel. I'm also going to show you some tips for removing rust. Now it's a common misconception that stainless steel is maintenance free and that it doesn't rust. This is actually not true. It does require a little bit of care, and today I'm going to show you how to do that. Today we are going to start on this much neglected stainless steel mailbox. You can see that it's got dirt and grime all over it. It's got a little bit of paint and stain on it. Maybe even a little bit of rust, so we'll tackle that too. We're going to start by just cleaning it up with some soap and water. First, I'm going to apply this protector I made to protect the siding. So just warm water and dish soap. That's all we're doing for this first clean. If you decide to use the abrasive side of a scouring pad, go with the grain. With the grain like this. Now we're just going to rinse it. Okay, now as expected, this did not get any of the paint, stain, or rust out. So for the stain that's on here, I'm going to use a little bit of mineral spirits and maybe a Scotch-Brite pad. Let's see how it does with a paper towel first. Going to take something a little more heavy duty. Alright, with all of the stain removed, now it's time to remove any rust. Now I'm fortunate, there's really not any rust here, but if there were rust, I would be using this Citrisurf 2310 formula. I did use this on a stainless steel sink recently, so let me show that to you. This Citrisurf product is a cleaner, a rust remover, and a passivator all in one. You want to apply it liberally to the surface and then use either a Scotch-Brite pad or one of these abrasive pads like I'm using here. And you want to go with the grain. There is a grain direction to stainless steel. If you go in that direction, it'll be a lot less noticeable that you used an abrasive pad here. Now if you really have to give it some elbow grease and use a highly abrasive pad, when you're done, go to a less abrasive pad, almost to finish up with a polishing pad, and you won't even hardly notice that you scrubbed it. Alright, once you have any rust removed, it's time to passivate this, and we do that by using the same Citrisurf product. We just want to apply that to the surface. Now I am using the gel formula. That's good for vertical or pseudo-vertical surfaces such as this because it doesn't run as much. Now we need to let this sit for 20 minutes and it needs to stay wet. If you're in the sun on a hot day, you can mist it with water or just apply more passivator. While we're waiting for this, now's a good time for me to explain passivation. What it is a chemical reaction between an acid, in this case citric acid, and the stainless steel. That chemical reaction results in a thin oxide layer that provides protection from rust. Now by passivating your stainless steel, you're going to provide protection, which is going to mean that you don't have to come watch this video again, or you may not have to do it for many years to come. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. I did mist it at the 10-minute mark, so we're all ready here. Now we want to rinse this, and we want to rinse it well. So be very liberal with the water. I mean, as you can see, it's going to take me a while with this, but if you have a hose, just blast this thing. We want to get all the Citrisurf off. With everything rinsed off, we now want to dry it. I have one more step, and this is an optional step, but we're going to let this dry completely. And then I'm going to show you how to apply another layer of protection to your stainless steel. Okay, with things completely dry, now we're going to apply a coat of Rust Rescue 200. This is a coating that will not interfere with the appearance, but you never know, so I highly recommend doing a test spot first. But what we're going to do is we're going to apply this over the whole thing, and it's going to give us a coating in addition to the passivation that we've done. Okay. We're going to take a clean, lint-free cloth. We're just going to apply it liberally over the entire surface. Now we're going to wait 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we come back with another clean cloth. We wipe off all the excess. Okay, let's see how we did. You can see that we really brought this stainless steel back to life. Not only does it look good, but now it's low maintenance. All I need to do moving forward is maybe give it a good cleaning once or twice a year. In about 2 to 3 years, I'll apply another coat of the Rust Rescue. If you choose not to do the Rust Rescue, then you're going to need to passivate it occasionally, and I would recommend doing that once a year. All right, well, that'll do it for today. I want to thank everyone for watching. Good luck with your stainless steel project. If you're not a subscriber, please click the subscribe button and that bell so you get notifications of future videos. And as always, if you have questions, please post those in the comment trail. Also, I'd love to hear about your stainless steel project. I want to know how well this worked out for you. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Chris with Toolbox DIY.